everyone, it's Michelle and welcome to my channel where I talk about all things lifestyle, fashion, and beauty. So first things first, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'd love to see you here again. But today we are going to unbox and swatch the Dior Rouge Golden Nights lipstick set. Yay! This is right up my alley because I love Dior and I love lipsticks. They are actually 6 full size, 1 lipstick and 5 refills. So let's see what's inside. So here we have the Dior clutch. I was actually first very attracted just when I saw this beautiful bag. More like a case than a bag. It is a hard case. It has a zipper. It is quite stiff. Let's look at what's inside. Ta-da! So full-size lipstick and then 5 refills. Let's swatch them. The first one is $9.99. Look how beautiful that is. So you have the CD and it's got this beautiful snowflake emboss all around the bullet of the lipstick. So I just noticed this is actually the one that matches the Dior Rouge on the packaging. Okay, so here we go. Give me a drum roll because I love makeup when it's so pristine like this. But I am going to break the seal and give it a good swatch. It's kind of an orangey red. Let's see what the next color is. The next color in the collection is actually $9.99 in matte, so it should be the same exact color but with a matte finish. So let's take a look. This one you can maybe see more orange in it, but let me show you the Christian Dior and the snowflakes. The snowflakes are so cute. So let's de-virginize this baby and swatch her. As you can see, the color is actually very similar. The matte lipstick, it does look a tiny bit more orange. So the next color is 988 Rialto. This is beautiful. Oh wow, that's a lot more sheer than I thought. Kind of a cherry color. I love it. On to the next, and each one has the number of the color on the ribbon. I love how you can just pull them out. 481 Hypnotic Matte. Ooh, what a beautiful color that is. I'm going to do makeup looks with all of these as well because that's something I love to do. So let me know if you'd be interested to see that. Alright, so the next color is 458 Paris. And I hope these swatches help in your decision whether to purchase this. I just did look, I just bought this off the website. Like I said, I was first attracted to the bag and then I looked at the colors, and knowing how much I love lipstick, I just thought I couldn't go wrong. I like this color. This is like a little bit peachy and a little bit coral. I'm liking this set so far. What I've seen in past sets, there's always a color that's kind of odd, like there was one that was gray. These are all very wearable colors and they're age appropriate for me in my 40s. So far, I feel like a range here of like daytime to nighttime. So now the last color, 772, it looks like another red. And it is called 772 Classic Matte. Alrighty, let's swatch. It's actually similar to the one previous to it. It has a very slight burnt orange to it. So now breaking it down, it comes out to about $25.5 per lipstick, which is pretty good, which means the case is free. But now looking at it, now that I see there's 2 reds and 2 corals, even though one is matte and one is shine, I do wish they put in different colors, because basically like they could have just done one red, one berry, one nude and one coral and done a 4 lipstick set, or maybe put 2 other colors on the other spectrum, like maybe a deep burgundy and a pink, for example. So I feel the range here is a little redundant, but it's not really going to deter me, because at least in most holiday sets that you get, if you use maybe 4 out of 6, that's not bad. Let's see this beautiful case. This is great because you have a mirror. So say I do go to a party, my iPhone 8 Plus does fit in there. My card holder, of course a lipstick, and I probably won't have all my keys because I valeted, so we'll leave the keys out. That actually makes a pretty nice carrying case for your things. I can see myself holding this as a clutch. I like how you can just put it on the table like this, and you can just show off your beautiful little Dior case. I have seen videos where girls add a chain. They actually drill holes and add a D-ring to add a chain. I've thought about that, but it's a little funny to me in that the zipper, it would open from the bottom, but I actually like this piece as a clutch. I hope that was helpful. Let me know your thoughts. Next in my series, I'm going to put together some makeup looks for each one of the swatches. I hope you stick with me for that series. My name is Michelle, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.